Hey, Johnny Timmons, MarineMax Houston. We're on a 400 Galeon that we've got in stock, and we were going to give you a quick walk around, so follow me. Inside the salon of the Galeon 400 Fly, we've got white leather interior, oak wood, twin Raymarine displays powered by twin Volvos. We've got a bow thruster. Follow me, we'll work our way downstairs. Downstairs, we're going to go to our owner suite. This is a 2-head, 2 stateroom layout. Owner suite's all the way aft. Owner suite, 400 Galeon Fly, queen bed, plenty of room. Come see us, MarineMax Houston. Hey, we're in that 400 Fly, taking it back to MarineMax. This is our fly bridge, the radar. We've got seating for 8 to 10 people up here. Wife and I right here in the helm chair. Great little boat, pocket yacht, 40 Galeon Fly, 2025 model.